Hey there. So this morning I want to share a short story by a man by the name of Paulo Coelho. He wrote a book, The Alchemist, which everybody should read. It's a phenomenal read. But there's a short story he tells. It's about a young boy who's sitting in the living room with his father, and his father's reading the newspaper, and this young boy keeps pestering him and pestering him, and the father just gets frustrated, and he happens to have a page with a map of the world, so he rips it up into pieces and he gives it to the boy and he says, go in the other room and do this puzzle and put the map back together. About 15 minutes later, the boy returns. The father says, you're done already? He said, yeah. He goes, has your mother been working with you on geography? And the boy said, I don't even know what geography is, but there was a picture of a man, and I put the man back together, and when I put the man back together, I was able to put the world back together. So what does that say to you? You know, we spend so much time doing things naturally because that's just, in the rut, or what we're just used to doing, our daily routine. But the truth of the matter is, if you want to heal the world, we got to heal each other. We got to treat other people with respect, and we have to take care of each other. And if we take care of each other, then the world becomes a better place. We can start taking care of the world. So I know a lot of people go out there and they say, I want to change the world. I want to change the world. I want to make this world better. I want to teach teens to step into their power and find their true north and follow it through their words and actions to help create a better world for all of us, as their generation grows up. But I can't do that and get the whole world at one shot. I need to work with teens little at a time, and every teen that I work with is one more person that I helped hopefully get to see things differently and go out there and change the world. And the more we do that to the people around us, the more we teach the people around us to be better human beings, the better this world becomes. And if we all did that, just imagine, eventually we'd hit critical mass and we'd have an opportunity to make some significant change. Just look what's going on right now. So just keep that in mind. I know it's a short story, but it's a good story, and hope you enjoyed it. Have an awesome day.